It's the evening routine, and my little one knows that if he finishes reading, his mom will make him a nice snack. We all started loving Greek yogurt these days, and this is a quick little snack idea. The tartness of the green apples goes really well with the mild sweetness of the maple syrup. Mixed together, you have this creamy yogurt that you can enjoy as a great snack for you and your kids. Bye!